What's up, guys? Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this Ufree beard trimmer kit that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. This thing is jam-packed with accessories. It's got everything in it you need to stay neat and clean. I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look and give you guys a quick demo. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so here's a look at the entire kit all laid out. Obviously, you're going to get your clippers. As you can see, that's very ornate. I love the design in that. These here feel real good in the hand. It's got some heft to it. Then you're going to get your foil shaver. And then you're going to get a bunch of guides and comb, charging cables, user guide, and a stuff sack. So with the clippers, you're going to get 3 different cutting heads. This here cutting head here goes with these 4 guides. You've got this here, what they call their precision trimmer. It's got an adjustable guide. I think it's like 10 positions on that. This T-blade here goes with these 5 guides. And then you've got your nose clippers there. So with the clippers here, as you can see, they're very ornate, super easy to use, 1-button operation, gives you your battery percentage readout here on the bottom. You get about 2.5 hours of continuous use on a full charge. So long time use there. With the foil shaver, same thing, you got 1-button operation, push it, you got your battery percentage readout here so that you know how much juice you have left. Now, as you can see, I don't have a lot of hair. The only thing I use these tools for is for trimming my beard. I use a razor on my head, and these foil shavers here give me ingrown hair, so I don't use these here, but it is cool that it's in the kit. So with the clippers here, with this T-blade here, gives me about a 3 o'clock shadow once I'm done. This runs very quietly. It doesn't cut, it doesn't nick. Feels real good in the hands. Just got a lot of heft to it, and it's it's pretty. And so very nice shaver here for trimming your beard, whether you're going to be taking your hair all the way off, or if you're going to be doing lines. And so you got all of your kits there for doing your lines. Changing out your blades, super easy. Simply pop one off, the other one pops on, just like that. And it's ready to go. Very nice kit here, guys. If you guys are looking for a complete beard trimming shaving kit, I highly recommend this Ufree kit here. Hope this helps.